Writing product descriptions can feel like the most frustrating part of launching a digital product. You've spent days crafting your Notion template or setting up your Etsy listing. And then you're stuck for hours, just trying to write a few paragraphs that sound good. You open a blank document and stare, rewriting the same line over and over, hoping it'll sound more persuasive. But the real pain, even after all that effort, it still doesn't convert. It sounds generic. It doesn't reflect how great your product actually is. And you're left wondering if anyone even reads it. Here's something most digital creators don't realize: the words on your product page are doing the heavy lifting. The way you describe your offer shapes how people see it, and whether they click buy or scroll away. But here's the good news. You don't need to become a professional copywriter to write words that sell. You just need a smarter way to do it. Here's the smarter way. Most people make the mistake of writing product copy the hard way, from scratch, every time. But great marketers use templates, systems, and smart tools. The most successful ones never start from a blank page. They reuse what works and move fast. That's the key difference between a stressed-out seller and a confident one. And that's exactly why we built the product descriptions tool inside AI Creator Max. It's designed specifically for creators like you, Notion sellers, Etsy shop owners, digital product makers. You just enter a few details about your product, choose your tone, and hit generate. In seconds, you get timeless, high-converting copy that sounds like you and sells like a pro wrote it. Let's walk through an example together so you can see how simple it is. Inside AI Creator Max, search for the Product Descriptions tool. For this demo, let's say you're selling a Notion template for freelancers. It includes a client tracker, invoice generator, and project dashboard. It's fully customizable and beginner-friendly. Your keywords might be freelance tools, Notion dashboard, and productivity. Set the tone of voice to professional, and choose English as the language. Then click Generate. Just like that, you get a clean, clear, persuasive product description in seconds. No more staring at a blank page. No more worrying if your words are good enough. Just results. And it's not just fast, it's flexible. You can instantly copy it to your clipboard, email it to yourself, or tweak it right on the page. You can even rate the result and revisit past outputs anytime from the History tab on the sidebar. Everything is built to save you time and help you sell more, with less stress. If you're a digital creator who wants to work smarter, not harder, AI Creator Max is your shortcut. Try it free today at aicreatormax.com. The link is in the description. And before you go, here's one bonus tip that might just change how you create forever. Every time you launch a product, use the same exact AI input as your starting point. But for each platform, Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, slightly tweak your keywords and tone. This lets you generate platform-optimized copy in minutes instead of rewriting from scratch. It's like cloning your best pitch, but tailor-made for each customer. That's how pros move fast and look sharp everywhere. If that was helpful, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who's still writing everything the hard way. You just saved yourself hours, and maybe even your next launch.